Exploring Quotex trading. In the ever-evolving landscape of online trading, platforms like Quotex have been making waves, offering traders a modern and innovative way to participate in financial markets. Quotex trading, known for its simplicity and accessibility, has attracted both beginners and experienced traders alike. In this article, we'll take a closer look at what Quotex trading is, its unique features, and how it can potentially benefit traders. What is Quotex trading? Quotex is an online trading platform that provides traders with the opportunity to speculate on the price movements of various financial instruments. These instruments can include currencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. Quotex is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it an appealing choice for traders of all levels of experience. Key features of Quotex trading. Binary options. Quotex primarily focuses on binary options trading, where traders predict whether the price of an asset will rise or fall within a specified time frame. This straightforward approach eliminates the complexities often associated with traditional trading instruments. Variety of assets. Quotex offers a diverse range of assets for trading, allowing users to choose from a wide selection of currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and indices. Demo accounts. For those new to Quotex or binary options trading in general, the platform offers demo accounts. These virtual accounts enable users to practice trading without risking real capital, helping them gain confidence and understand the platform. Benefits of Quotex trading. Simplicity. Quotex simplifies trading with binary options, making it easier for traders to understand and execute trades. Accessibility. The platform's user-friendly interface and mobile app ensure that traders can participate in the markets from anywhere with an internet connection. Risk management. Binary options trading on Quotex often comes with predefined risks, helping traders manage their exposure. Potential for profit. Like any form of trading, Quotex trading offers the potential for profit for those who can accurately predict market movements. Conclusion. Quotex trading has emerged as a straightforward and accessible way for traders to engage with financial markets. With its user-friendly interface, diverse asset selection, and educational resources, Quotex aims to empower traders of all levels to participate in the world of binary options trading. However, it's essential to remember that trading always carries risks, and it's advisable to conduct thorough research and risk management before engaging in any trading activity. Navigating live market versus OTC market. As a beginner trader, when diving into the world of trading on Quotex, understanding the differences between the two available markets, the real/live market and the OTC, over-the-counter, market, is crucial. As a beginner trader, your choice between these markets can significantly impact your trading experience and success. Real/live market, a stable starting point. For novice traders, the real or live market on Quotex often serves as the ideal starting point. Here's why. Lower volatility. The real/live market typically exhibits less price volatility compared to the OTC market. This means that price movements are generally more stable and predictable, providing a safer environment for beginners. Higher probability of winning trades. Due to its reduced volatility, the live market often presents a higher probability of winning trades. This is especially advantageous for traders who are still developing their skills and risk management strategies. Focus on price action. In the live market, trading decisions often revolve around price action. Price action analysis involves studying price charts and patterns to make informed predictions about future price movement. OTC market, a different ballgame. Conversely, the OTC market in Quotex operates differently and may not be the best choice for beginner traders. Higher volatility. The OTC market tends to be more volatile, with rapid price fluctuations. While this can create opportunities for experienced traders, it can also expose beginners to greater risk. Pattern-based trading. OTC trading often relies on recognizing patterns in asset price movements. This approach can be complex for beginners as it requires a deeper understanding of market dynamics and a keen eye for pattern recognition. Broker-operated, unlike the real/live market, which is influenced by market forces, the OTC market is broker-operated. This means that the broker sets the prices, and there might be a potential for conflicts of interest.
I hope you understand the basic of Quotex trading. In next video we will discuss how should beginners start trading. What should you avoid in Quotex trading which increase the chance of success in trading, so stay tuned with me.